Welcome to all. Today I am going to start new chapter number 10, Geometry Basics. What do you understand by geometry? In geometry, we will learn different types of shape, angles, triangles, square, octagon, hexagon, pentagons, closed figure, open figure, straight line. These are the geometrical shapes. What is angle? All the shapes you have colored above in yellow are called polygons and their sides meet at corner, it form angle. See, this is a polygon. Closed polygon means the starting and the ending point is same. So this is the polygons and this represent angle. This represent angle. This represent angle. So the two sides that meets at a corner form an angle. Clear? In this one, this basketball, hockey, cricket and carom, we can find some angles. See, when two sides they meet at a corner, this is the corner and they meet, this form an angle. See, this form an angle. These are the angles. Got it? Exercise 10a. Mark the angles that you see in their everyday life. In this one, see, this one angle we have marked, this angle we have marked. See, this angle we have marked, this angle we have marked. Many angles are there, so you have to mark it like this. In this one, this angle, like this angle we can mark it. In this one, like this. See, these are the angles which we can mark it. Okay. Next, mark the angles that you see in their traditional Indian dresses. See, in this one, mark the angle. See this one, and this one, like this. So many angles are there that you have to mark it like this. In this one, these are the angles which we have seen in this picture. Okay. Next, understanding angles in geometric terms. So the first one is point. What is point? See, this is a point. A point is the basic unit of geometry. It shows exact location. This is the point. So A, this is a point A. Next one is line. This is the line. A line is a collection of points going endlessly. It can extend in both direction endlessly, both direction along a straight path. We can get the straight path. Okay. A line has no beginning and no end. So we can represent line like this. Next one is line segment. What is line segment? A line segment is a part of line, but it has two endpoint. It has two endpoint. These are the endpoint of line segment. So we can represent like this. Next one is ray. A ray is a part of line, but it extends only one direction, not both. So we can represent like this. Next is part of an angle. What is angle? When two rays have a common endpoint. See, this is one ray and this is another ray. When this both the ray will meet, they will make an angle. So this is the angle. So these are some varieties of angle we can see. This is the vertex and these are the rays. So the middle letter is always the vertex of an angle. So the middle one is showing that angle. In this one, Many types of angles are there. The first one is right angle. What is right angle? Right angle, it's donate like this. It will make 90-degree also. So, see, these are the examples of right angle. Angle that look like two corner of this page are called right angle. Okay. Next one. In this one, many examples are there. You can see. Next is acute angle. What is acute? Acute means small. So, an angle that are less than right angle. See, this is right angle and less than means this is less than, this is less than, this is less than. So, these are the variety of acute angle. Acute angle means less than right angle. These are the examples of acute angle. See. Next, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is more than right angle. See, this is right angle. Now, right angle we can extend more one side. This will make obtuse angle. Okay, see, this is obtuse angle. These are the examples of obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. Straight line. Straight line will make straight angle. It means two right angle when we join, we get straight angle. Exercise 10b, question number 1, that is activity only that you don't have to do. From question number 2, we can start. In the following figure, colors the right angles in red and acute angle in blue and the obtuse angle in green. Some are done for you. See, in this one, this is showing right angle. This is showing obtuse angle and this one showing acute angle. See, this is showing right angle, this is showing right angle, this is showing right angle. Okay, this is showing right angle. So right angle you can use red color. Acute angle, this is showing acute angle, this is showing acute angle, this is showing acute angle. Okay, this is showing acute angle, but this one is showing obtuse angle. And in this one also showing obtuse angle, in this also showing obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means more than right angle. Got it? Next, the picture you see below are given poses made while playing badminton. Mark and name the different angle that you see in this picture. Okay, see, this one showing acute angle, this one showing acute angle, this one showing right angle, this one showing more than right angle, obtuse angle, this one showing right angle, this showing acute angle, this showing acute angle, this showing obtuse angle. Like this we can do it. Next, again the same thing. In this also we have to mark and identify the angle you see. This one is obtuse angle, this one showing right angle. Okay, in this one showing obtuse angle, this one showing straight angle, this showing straight angle. Okay, this one showing acute angle, this was showing obtuse angle. In this one, question number 5, draw three angles each of acute, obtuse and right angles that you see around. It means around means what we are seeing, like tree you can see. So in that tree we can make it acute angle, obtuse angle like this. Next, pencil we can see that will come in the straight angle. So like this we have to do it. Question number 6, name and identify the following angles. One has done for you. In this one, see, ABC is more than 9 right angle, it means obtuse angle. This is right angle. So how we can write? We can write like this, DEF is equals to right angle. Okay, next one is the C. How the C we will write? We can write like this, P Q R equals to acute angle. Next is D. How this D we can write? S T U is obtuse angle. We can write like this, obtuse angle, and the middle point represent as angle only. This one is acute angle. This one is straight angle. This one is right angle. This one is acute angle. Like this we have to do. Now the next one is more about angles. See, this is showing 0 degree, or in this one when two arrow you will see, this is complete angle, this is acute angle, this is also acute angle. This one is like this straight, it means right angle. This one is obtuse, this one is straight angle. Like this it is showing in the base of pencils and this angle. So now one more thing we will use, that is known as protractor. With the help of protractor we can measure the angle, but before that we will see what is protractor. Protractor means this is showing center point. Center point means the center line, and one center point is also there. And see, in this one two scales are there. See, first one, see the baseline, this is the baseline, and in this one two scales are there, inner and outer. Inner means started from the 0 to 180, and outer means again started from 0 to 180. So that will show the inner and outer scale. In this one the protractor is used only for the measuring the angles. Clear? So now in this also we can see that right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle. Okay, see, measuring angles. Right angle means it is showing like this, and this is represent as 90 degree, and this degree is very important in angle. Next is acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Okay, like this. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree, like this. Straight angle means two right angle. Two right angle will make straight angle. Got it? Then exercise 10C. Question number 1. Again it is the action exercise. You don't have to do. From question number 2 we will start. See, question number 2. Measure these angles using the inner scale. So you have to use the inner scale. See, it is showing inner scale 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This we can write here 70 degree. In this one also see the inner scale. It means the inside one. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 100, 110, 115. 115 degree. Next one is 10, 20. Next one is 55. Now we can use the outer scale. Outer scale is means, see, outer scale means that outer one. Here this represent 40 degree. Outer scale, this one. In this one, this will show 170 degree. Outer scale. This will show 10 degree. This will show 155 degree. Use a protractor to measure the angle ABC. ABC, we have to use the protractor and measure the angle. See, AOC. We can make the angle. We can use the protractor and we can find the angle AOE. This one AOE is 90 plus 20 is 120 degree. Angle AOG. AOG, this is 120, this is 150. Then AOB, AOB is 180 degree. Like this we can do question. Now let's see recap. In this chapter we have learned angles, how angles when two rays will meet at a corner, it will make angle. Polygon means when starting and the ending point is same, we get polygon. Point shows exact location. Then line and line segment. A line is extend both direction. A line segment is a part of line, but it cannot extend in any of the direction. It is a fixed length. A ray can extend only in one direction. Parts of angle. In parts of angle, we have learned right angle. Right angle means it will show 90-degree. Acute angle, it will show less than 90-degree. Obtuse angle, it will show more than 90-degree. And straight angle means when two right angles can join, it will make straight angle. Thank you. And for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box, and every scholar should complete your notebook on time.